Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I brought in this Golden Hinoki Cypress to give it a bit of a pruning. It's starting to extend quite a bit now, so we'll give it a bit of a tidying up. I've planted this in kind of a field landscape, you might say. We've got kind of like lumpy moss, like it's kind of like a bit of a marshy kind of area maybe, and then this field is kind of really fine moss, and then we've like a ploughed field there. So just for a bit of fun, this kind of grass thing, I don't know what this is, just grew there by itself, but it's not like ordinary grass. I left it the last time, but it's starting to get too long now, so I think I'll take it out and maybe I'll plant it in its own little pot, because we might use some of that in our African one. Okay, so we'll get in and we'll do a bit of pruning. We also need to do a bit of weeding. So let's go. Before we start, just show you my t-shirt. Nathan should appreciate that. That's Nathan's logo. Okay, so scissors, where are we? There they are. We'll just move this in. I'm hoping the mic now is a lot better than the last time. My last video was a bit static, but I got a better lead. I think it was just the lead going to the mic was not very good. Glasses. Okay, so let's move this in a bit closer maybe if we can, so you can see a bit more what's going on. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and reduce all this back. You can see it's quite long stems on it. Got another glorious day, sun's out. It's pretty hot out there again. It's about 20, I think it was like 25, 27 degrees Celsius out there. So yeah, pretty warm. Okay, I'm going to kind of work on basically each branch at a time, putting it all back. You see when it's in the shade how dark it is compared to when it's out in the sun, then it goes this golden colour, which it's supposed to. That's not, it is a golden hinoki, so it is the right colour it's supposed to be. Okay, so that branch is pretty thinned out. We can maybe take off this one in here, maybe these here, just to, now we've got a gap between the two of them, so you can see there what's gone from one big mess of a pad. It's gone to two kind of nice small pads, and we'll just work our way around doing the same thing. Hands are a bit shaky. I've just had a coffee in a coffee shop, and I normally drink decaf, but I didn't get a decaf, and I used to always just drink ordinary coffee without not decaf, but lately I'm always drinking just decaf. And then when I have an ordinary coffee, and starts to shake a little bit. Too much caffeine for me now, I'm not used to it. You don't kind of notice it until you're trying to do some pruning. Got a bit of lichen in here. Pick that off. Got a bit of dead branching in here where it's been shaded out. I'm just going to rub it and knock off any of the dead stuff. Yeah, I wasn't really planning on any kind of landscape as such for this, but I had a piece of the stone wall left over that I'd made, so I just kind of threw it onto this, and then I had some leftover moss, so I threw that on, and before I knew it, it kind of created this little bit of a landscape. Okay, so it's starting to thin out there now at the front, so we just got to keep going. We do have some wire in here, we can take that off now, I would think. Okay, I suppose what I'll do is I'll pause the video for a little while and I'll keep pruning away, and then we'll come back and check on the progress, see how we're getting on with it. Okay, so as you can see, we're kind of halfway done now. I've got this side done, more or less. Once I have it all pruned, we'll go through it and just see is there any bits that need removing and stuff. But first I'm just getting it all pruned back, so now we can start on the other side. And just keep going. There's a bit of wire on it too, so taking that all off. So again, I'm not just cutting across, I'm kind of getting the branch and going in at an angle, and then just snipping it out like that, see, and then you'll get less browning. It's a bit of a slow process because you've literally got to get hold of each branch. You can kind of pluck them off too, like that, just get hold of it and just pull it off. But it's nearly as quick to use the scissors. Find a lot of the time too, you lift it up, coming from underneath you can see better. Okay, so we'll keep going. Again, we'll pause the video, and next time you see it, I should have it all pruned up, and then we can clean up the landscape a bit, and we can go through the tree and see is there any branches we want to remove or shorten back or anything like that. Okay, so I think we're more or less pruned up. It's one of these trees that you could just keep going and going and going with it. You'll always find bits on it that could do with pruning. I'm just going to stand back now behind the camera and just see, is there anything I want to change on it. Just a bit of dead branch down here, get rid of that. I think it's looking okay, to be honest. Branches all seem to be in pretty good places. There's a bit of a gap up here at the back, but that's alright. Kind of a bit funny here, alright. Just take this end off this one, just to reduce that back a bit from the front. It's looking quite good. Took off quite a bit. You can see it's probably 50% of the foliage, I would say, pretty much. Okay, so I want to take this guy out. I could prune him back, but I think he's going to end up filling the pot with roots if I don't get rid of him. So let me just clear this off. And get him out without completely dismantling the whole. You can see the roots of the tree have reached right out to the edge of the pot, all the way out here, so that's good. Okay, I need to just fill that in now with some more soil again. Quite big chunks because I emptied another one of my troughs. It had some heavier soil, but there was only a small bit left, so I emptied that into my trough in here so I could use it for watering. Let's just put a fine layer of fine arachidam on the top, just because the moss won't like that heavy stuff. And just get the moss back off this, pick out the weeds. It's when you find moss growing in places. I'll hit the mic. You find moss growing in places and you think, oh, that looks good moss, there's not a weed in it. And then you bring it home, you put it in your pots, and then the weeds just start growing, and they're in the wood, they're in the moss. They haven't grown from the pot, they've grown from the moss. But these things happen. So now we're just going to go through it all, pick out these. My plan was to make this a kind of, this side all kind of heavy, thick mounds of moss, like a kind of a bog area. It was only like that because I had left over, it actually ended up styling itself. I had leftover moss and I had left over this stuff, so I put this in. And then I ended up with leftovers of the fine stuff, which is this stuff. So I decided just to put that in on this side. And I had a leftover piece of wall, which was already in here. So I decided to put the finer stuff on this side. And then kind of, this is all I had, so that ended up bare. So I thought, you know, we'll just leave it bare, and that can be like a ploughed field or something. Maybe one day I'll get a little tractor or something, or maybe some sheep on that side in the finer stuff or something. just around here where I live, you'll find fields like this. There's just fields where they're no good for growing crops and things, so they're just kind of big thick lumps of grass, sods like this. So that's why I kind of did it. Maybe one day it'll change and we'll do something else with it, but for now. And I even had a bit of this stuff, which was the kind of tall, thinner stuff left over. So I decided to plant that in a row there, just to kind of let that grow as a hedge. I'll prune it back and keep it growing kind of narrow like a hedge, just dividing the two little fields up. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Just throw this guy, I don't know, is this just some sort of wild grass or what, but just put it into a little pot anyway. I thought we could maybe use it in our African style planting, or something at some stage, maybe a little accent or something. That'll do, just keep that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for this one. Needed a bit of tidying up. Definitely looks a lot better. Cleaned up now and it can fill out again. I kind of like the branch structure in there. It looks pretty good. It looks natural. Branches going in some good places in it. So yeah, there is one in there could maybe get rid of. But we'll leave it for now. I think it's still okay. It's just stopping the top looking like it's just standing out by itself. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.